Good morning and Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you had a restful break. This video is here to help you understand what you need to do for your independent work on January 4th. We will not be meeting in person on January 4th. That's Monday. But you do have independent work to do just like a normal time that you're not attending class in person. So you are going to go to Google Classroom, find the classwork tab. For you, it's down here in the on the iPad. Find week of January 4th, and there's one thing there so far, or will be one thing. It's called Independent Work for Monday, January 4th. You'll open it up, and there's a Google form for you to complete, which encompasses all the work you need to do for the day. As it says, there's several things to complete, and some of it you may have already done, so that's a nice bonus. So of course you're going to put your name, what period you have science. This screencast will be here to further explain in case you kind of forget what you need to do. And there's two big things you need to do. One of them is to finish the bath bomb unit. Many of us have already done that, but about half of the students either have not submitted it or didn't complete it. So this was classwork the last week before break. So two assignments. One is called Bath Bomb Final Model and Explanation. So you will go to Google Classroom and you will find in the week of 12/14 Bath Bomb Final Model and Explanation right here. Here's the rubric, but right here you will open this up, follow all the instructions, take your time to complete your final model and explanation. Okay? Use all those resources available to you. The second thing you're going to do is to if you've already done it, you just click I finished and submitted this assignment in class. Double check that you have. If you're doing it today or on Monday, then you need to click that I'm going to finish this assignment today. We need to make sure everybody is going to do that, because when I zero it out, it'll show as incomplete and really hurt your grade. Okay. Second thing, still bath bomb, but different assignment, the bath bomb quiz and follow-up. Same as before. Go to Google Classroom, Bath Bomb Quiz and Follow-Up, week of 12/14. This one is some more traditional questions around the bath bomb, and it also asks you some interesting things about what you found most interesting and what you wanted to learn about next, which we'll talk about in a minute. So both of these bath bomb assignments need to be completed. If you've already done them, awesome. You would just click I finished and submitted it already. If you need to finish it, click I'm going to finish this assignment today and actually go finish it. Okay, take your time. So that's the first thing, finish bath bomb stuff. The other thing you need to do today is get ourselves prepared for this upcoming unit. So you're going to set up your science notebook. So the first thing you're going to do is the table of contents, and there's some instructions here. Follow those carefully. It would be nice if you were using the same notebook, but if you want to start over with a new fresh notebook, you can. Either way works. Okay, so once you're done with your table of contents, you'll click that you've done that. Okay, then setting up the progress tracker, you'll follow these directions to complete your progress tracker, get it all set up, ready for the next unit. Okay, then you'll start numbering the pages, and when you're done, you click those things. Okay, so that's just helping you get all set up, ready to go, so we don't have to take a long time getting ready for all of that during our class time. Okay, we'll be ready to rock and roll. Part of the bath bomb follow-up assignment was asking you what did you most, or what was your first choice about learning about next, and we had these 5 choices. So this is what the data look like for first choice. I also have second choice data. I just didn't want to keep making the same question, so we'll talk about that in class. So there's a couple of one quick question about this. You'll answer it, so we're ready to talk about it, and then you'll hit submit. Okay, so to recap, you are going to either make sure you let me know that you finished the bath bomb assignments, or that you're going to go and finish them. Okay, 2 of them, and then you're going to set up your science notebook for our upcoming unit. Okay. And that is all I have. So make sure you please get that done before I see you this week. Remember, I will be seeing you on Zoom 2 times this week. Talk to you later.